Since their introduction in 1968, Jaguar's XJ Series sedans have personified four-wheeled luxury. But like the company that built them, the XJs have had their share of ups and downs. For 1995, however, there was a new XJ. And as this week's road test by request shows us, it's a car that looks to the past for inspiration and to the resources of Jaguar's current owner, Ford, for the future. For Jaguar, things are definitely looking up. And up is definitely where Jaguar is headed in production, quality, customer satisfaction, and sales. With 1995's lineup including the likes of this supercharged XJR sedan, such good news should continue. The XJR is the first supercharged Jag in the company's 72-year history. It's the performance model among the four sedan range and the most scarce, accounting for only 3% of total XJ production. Jaguar changed some 100 internal parts of last year's 4-liter dual overhead cam 24-valve inline 6. Only after this beefing up did they add an intercooled supercharger. The resulting 322 horsepower and 378 pound-feet of torque provide what Jaguar calls refined power. Jaguar had U.S. buyers in mind in picking supercharging over turbocharging. Supercharging provides more gutsy off-the-line throttle response, something we Yanks hanker for most. And we put it to good use at our hometown test track, where a rush of low-end torque pushed our 4,200-pound XJR from 0 to 60 in just 7 seconds flat. And our hefty cat leaped through the quarter mile in 15.2 seconds, finishing at an impressive 95 miles per hour. Extremely smooth power delivery is ensured by a 4-speed automatic transmission. Traction control is standard. Despite its weight, the XJR sped through our slalom course like a far trimmer feline. The speed-sensitive steering is specially tuned for the XJR, as is the double wishbone and coil spring all-independent suspension. Lots of credit for the XJR's superb handling prowess must go to the sticky Pirelli P0 tires. This 45 series rubber is on 17-inch sports-style diamond-polished alloy wheels, exclusive to the XJR. Anti-dive, anti-squat geometry helps maintain XJ composure in harsh maneuvers, including emergency braking. With an advanced Tevis ABS system, our car stopped from 60 in a short 112 feet on average. But there's nothing average about the new Jag inside or out. The classic styling borrows heavily from the Series 3 sedans of the early 1980s. Headlights are again round and their contours tunnel into the fenders. The screen pattern grille is the XJR's alone. Grille frame, bumpers, and side moldings are body colored, and the door mirrors are redesigned. The classic Jaguar hood ornament, officially known as the Leaper, returns on American XJs as a $200 option. Jaguar interiors exude old-world luxury, and like the rest of the car, has been thoroughly updated rather than completely redesigned. The shallow-grained Connolly leather feels softer, while the one-piece molded carpeting improves sound deadening. The XJR's wood trim is a gray-stained maple. Other XJs get burl walnut. The XJR steering wheel mixes both wood and leather. Dual airbags are standard, but only XJs produced after January will also have an in-dash glove box. The supportive, well-bolstered bucket seats have the same anti-submarining feature as Ford's Contour Worldhar. The driver faces a full complement of analog gauges, a digital odometer, and enough warning lights to start a video arcade. Power seat controls have been repositioned for easier access. There's a 3-position memory that also adjusts the tilt and telescoping steering column. The 240-watt sound system has both cassette and CD capability. Switchgear has been enlarged and simplified. Ditto the new heating and air conditioning system, which now has much improved airflow and a digital control panel. 3 adults can fit on the contoured rear bench seat, but not when the huge armrest is down. Overall, we'd like a tad more legroom. Trunk space is also smallish at 11.1 cubic feet, but it's wide, flat, and liftover is extremely low. Jaguar prices aren't low, but then no premium luxury cars is. The supercharged XJR lists for $65,000 even. Since the average annual income of Jaguar owners is over $200,000, such a sticker shouldn't be too shocking. And for their money, they'll be getting the most sophisticated, luxurious, and reliable Jaguar yet. Indeed, the legend of the Big Cat is alive and well. And thanks to a judicious infusion by Ford, it has all of its 9 lives left.